stop scrolling because this might be the most important financial intervention you'll ever get. You work hard, you clock the hours, you put in the effort, but the truth is, your salary isn't what's keeping you broke. It's the death by 1,000 cuts. It's the small, insidious expenses that you ignore every single week that are quietly robbing you of your future wealth. Today, I'm revealing the 5 silent killers that are draining your bank account and the single 10-minute fix that can instantly save you hundreds. First, you need to understand the subscription trap. The average person wastes well over $100 every month on subscriptions they don't even use. That abandoned gym membership, the 5 different streaming services, the apps you forgot you paid for last year. Next, you are financing your lifestyle through the credit card minimum. Paying only the minimum payment keeps you shackled, ensuring you pay 2 to 3 times the original price in interest over a decade. Third, stop falling for the frivolous debt status trap by financing depreciating assets, that expensive gadget, that new car, those designer clothes. If it loses value the minute you buy it, it is not an asset. It's a liability that keeps you poor. Fourth, the absolute savings killer, delivery fees and takeout. That $5 fee and $5 tip on your $15 meal adds 66% to your expense. And this habit alone can cost you thousands every year. Finally, the secret mistake, the treat yourself cycle. Every time you justify a small splurge because you earned it, you sabotage your automation and destroy your savings momentum. The fix? You need to perform a 10-minute financial audit right now. Cut the top 3 non-essential items you found, automate that money straight into an investment account, and instantly flip your status from consumer to investor. Subscribe if you're ready to make your money work harder than you do.